Hi guys, Brandon here from Rider UK. Today I'm going to run through a few of the features that you can use with Rever. For the full review, visit rideruk.com. So first of all, in the route planner, you could choose to upload a GPX file and that will appear as a route on the map. Alternatively, you can click in the left sidebar, choose your start point and your destination, and a route will be generated. By left clicking on the map, you can add via points, which can be dragged and dropped to change their location. And if we go on the left sidebar and we choose to change the order of our locations, we just drag and drop the hamburger icon. We can also choose to avoid toll roads or motorways by clicking the slider. And if you're a pro member, you can choose the twisty roads. Some information including the distance, the estimated time, and the number of waypoints will be displayed. And we can also choose a few other options if you're a pro subscriber, including best roads or featured dirt roads. You have your points of interest. Again, you have to be a pro subscriber to add things like petrol stations, campsites. We'll go a bit more into the challenges in a moment. And finally, you can choose to view the map in different styles by clicking in the map styles drop-down menu. So if we have our route and we choose to continue, it will save the route, display the information. We can add a description, the ride date, the surface of the route, the vehicle we rode the route on. We can add photos. If we wanted to, we could go back and edit the route or save it publicly or privately. By going into this Discover tab in the left sidebar, we can search by location or using these tags for other highlighted locations and routes. So here I've chosen racetracks, and we can see a few racetracks that have popped up. If I deselect that and move to paved roads, it will show me some routes which other users have saved with paved roads. If we go into the My Activities tab, we can see the activities completed, time spent, and distance traveled while using Rever in time periods of a week, a month, or even a year. If we scroll down, these activities will be displayed on the map, and we can view them as a list, as thumbnails, under tracked, planned, or favorite rides. If we view them in a list, we can see details of the rides, and if we're a pro subscriber, we can download a GPX file for our GPS navigation. It's worth mentioning that if you have the mobile app, all of these rides will be saved under rides, and you can upload those for satellite navigation on your mobile device. Under the Communities tab, we can view a load of communities and find out more about them by clicking on their name and read more. We can choose to join the community. We can see information on their activities as we could under My Activities. We can see the members of the group, featured rides as a list, on a map, or as thumbnails. We can see some recent activity, and finally we can view a leaderboard of who's traveled the furthest, who's completed the most activities, the members in the group, and some upcoming events. If we go into the Challenges tab, we can choose a challenge, choose to join the challenge, and if we do, we'll see our position in this circle. We can see some information on the challenge, including a description, the leaderboard, and the rules. We can see that there's a prize rewarded for this challenge, and lastly, some points of interest involved with the challenge. The last thing I wanted to show you was the pricing for the Pro subscription. So if we click Pro, we can see what that costs and what it gives you. But if we wanted this converted into pounds, we can log in. We can go under our name to manage membership, and that will give us the cost in pounds. Now I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I've been Brandon on behalf of Rider UK. Until the next time, keep it real and keep it two wheels.